The money jar that never runs dry. Irene starts her morning surrounded by spreadsheets, invoices, and a glass of her healthy Herbalife shake. She had always been good at managing other people's accounts, yet her own finances were almost always in the red. Until one day, she understood something profound. She herself was the problem, and also the solution. Once she began working on herself, not too long ago, money started flowing into her life like never before. One morning, amid stacks of papers, she finds a note someone left while reviewing her work. The phrase stops her completely. Once you are able to achieve and consistently maintain your personal alignment, a great deal of money will flow into your experience, if that is your desire. Do not let others set the standards about how much money you should have, or about what you should do with it, for you are the only one who could ever accurately define that. Come into alignment with who you really are, and allow the things that life has helped you to know that you want to flow into your experience. The note mirrors her story. For years, she let other people's standards define how much she should earn. Her Excel sheets were filled with impeccably organized columns, but they never reflected what she truly desired. Now she understands her compass must come from within. That same day, a creative client arrives, an illustrator asking for help pricing her work without betraying herself. Irene smiles. She had once been stuck in that same contradiction. Now she feels she can help in a whole new way. Before setting any numbers, Irene uses a recent habit. She breathes, aligns herself, and feels which price vibrates right inside her. It's not cold calculation, it's a personal standard. She recalls the note's phrase like an anchor of calm. The illustrator happily agrees, pays with gratitude, and even recommends Irene to another colleague. Irene looks at her water jar, once still, now shimmering with subtle golden ripples. She knows this external flow is a reflection of her new inner alignment. One afternoon, Irene meets with several accountant colleagues. The meeting begins pleasantly, with laughter and stories, but soon drifts into the usual topic. How much money they could skim from a job, how to get extras on the side. They proudly share their strategies. Irene listens silently. Inside, a quiet echo reminds her that this way of thinking kept her in the red for years. She didn't argue, didn't contradict them, didn't try to persuade them. She simply chose to stay silent and use her inner alignment as a shield. After the meeting, Irene returns to her desk. She opens her notebook and writes with determination. My true standard, enough, free, aligned. The meeting had been a mirror. Hearing her colleagues only reinforced what she did not want to repeat. She places a clear stone next to the jar as a tangible reminder that true abundance is born within. A soft smile appears on her face. This time she won't get lost in comparison or in someone else's logic. Her center, her standard, is steady. Weeks later, she receives a big proposal to advise the finances of a creative collective. The numbers are high, doubt returns, but she breathes, consults her standard, and accepts with confidence. This time, it's not fear or ambition, it's coherence. Sometime later, Irene shares her experience in a workshop called Aligned Finances, part of the Pilatar al Éxito initiative. She places the jar in the center and explains, money flows like water, but first you must align with yourself. Her eyes shine. She now lives from her own standard.